Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous asymmetric hem blouse. So let's begin. For this project, I'll be using 2 meters of light satin fabric. Fold the fabric into 4. Your fabric should measure 25 inches on the fold. The length of my blouse was 54 inches, but you can adjust this to your requirements. Then go ahead and measure 10 inches for the armhole opening. Then measure the neckline at 2 inches deep and 4 inches wide. Connect the 2 points together. Now measure 18 inches from the folded edge and mark as shown. Draw a line to connect these points, starting from the 10-inch armhole point. Now draw a curved line to join the armhole opening to the line that you've just created. Now measure 24 inches from the top of the blouse and mark. You can now go ahead and carefully cut out the pattern. Then cut out the neckline. So find that 24-inch mark that you made earlier. From this point, draw a line as shown. Now draw a curve from this line to the folded edge as shown. So I rotated my pattern here just to make it easy for me to cut the fabric. You can now carefully cut through the top layer only. This will be the front opening of the blouse. Then you can go ahead and pin the sides together. If you haven't already, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. It really does help me out a lot. Now this is how your pattern should now look. And onto the sewing machine, you can begin by hemming the armhole opening. This is how it should look, and repeat for the other side. Now go ahead and hem the front opening. And this is how it should look. Now hem the side of the blouse, the side where the curve is placed. You can pin the sides of the blouse. And now carefully stitch them together. Repeat for the other side. You can now go ahead and hem the blouse. To finish the blouse, you just need to hem the neckline. You can do this by using a rolled hem or by using a bias strip. Here's the finished neckline. That completes the blouse, and here's the final look. This is such a versatile piece. You can have it in different colors, different lengths. You can upstyle it. Very, very versatile. I love how it turned out. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.